Hi fellow YouTubers, this is Amber. If you guys do not know who I am, I'm a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into an Instagram baddie. Stay tuned. So I really don't wear foundation like that a lot. Only on photo shoots. I usually stay clear of using foundation on my face because I don't really have problematic skin. So I know a lot of people who have problematic skin, they like to cover up their face with foundation, but I don't have those type of problems. I think it's really good to do full coverage if you have a lot of scars on your face because it gives you more confidence. A lot of people think that Instagram baddies, a lot of them are natural. I'm in the industry of modeling. I know nothing is natural even when it looks natural. So okay, so the foundation is pretty much done. So we're gonna be using this L'Oreal Paris Caramel 400. I'm gonna put this all over my eyes because we're gonna do a really natural look. So I packed that down. So as you can see, it's a little bit lighter than anything else right now. And I'm also gonna put it up underneath my eye. So I know you guys see a lot of people contouring their face like this. Honestly, you're supposed to contour your face based off of your face shape. I have an oval face shape, so my forehead is a little bit smaller, so I want to widen that up just a little bit, bring in my cheeks, and then just give my chin a little bit more definition. So you got to actually know what kind of face shape you're trying to achieve with contour before you do it, instead of just doing this. Here I'm using Cocoa Truffle by Too Faced, the chocolate gold palette. So I let this sit for a while only because I really wanted it to like show up really good and really be defined. If you just blend it out right when you put it on your face, it kind of just melts right into your skin and it disappears. I'm gonna go ahead and set the under eyes now. Even if you didn't set it right away, you can always use your damp beauty blender, go right back over it, and it works the same way. So now I'm just gonna bake right up underneath my eyes because this is more about contour and just making my face look really even. So using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Banana. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let this sit on my face as I finish up my eyes. My eyes are not gonna be a bunch of eyeshadow at all. I'm gonna go ahead and use this very light color called So Bougie, and it's a part of the chocolate gold palette as well. And we're just gonna take this color with an angle brush and we're just gonna sit it right on top. So that's the color that I have on my lids. We're also going to be using Rollin' in Dough right here. Same palette, Too Faced Chocolate Gold. And we're going to use the same brush because it's a very light color, so it's going to completely blend out. I'm going to use that on the edges. I'm just going to intensify that brown just a little bit more. So now we're gonna go ahead and brush off all this powder very gently. I'm gonna go ahead and really contour my nose using the same brown out of the chocolate gold palette, using the Cocoa Truffle. These lashes came from Amazon. These are a little too long. I wore them before without cutting them, but all of that is gonna have to go. They're hecka big, but you know, Instagram models, you know how they do. This is the L'Oreal Brow Pencil. I actually don't use this for up underneath my eyebrows. I use it up underneath here. Y'all, today I got stopped by this really cute guy. He was so cute, but you could tell he was trouble. You know those type of guys? No, we ain't got time for that. We baddies, right? We turning ourselves into baddies, so we ain't got time for bad men though. But yeah, he was really, really cute. He was chocolate, got a nice swoop in his hair, had an Audi, a brand new Audi. He just looked like trouble. He stopped me in the middle of traffic and I was like, dang, he's cute. But you can kind of sense you probably got 5 baby mamas, driving a nice car. And he was like a little low-key hood, I guess. I can kind of tell. But he was really, really cute, but I didn't give him my number. I did not. I was like, nah, it's easy to get caught up in looks. Now I'm gonna go for a really nice pink look on my cheeks. Mind you, I don't really like blush. I don't know why, but I'm not a fan of blush. But we're gonna put on some today. So I'm gonna use my Violet Voss Holy Grail. I'm gonna use my hashtag color and my Wine and Dine together. And I'm just gonna start stacking it on top of that contour. Blush is really only supposed to be the apples of your cheek. But people put it everywhere else. It's supposed to be only right there. That's it. Looks good. So now we're gonna take the BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiance. And I'm gonna use this color here. I've used this a lot before. The other one just fell out. I didn't even get to use that one. So that one looks pretty nice. You know they be having a gang of highlighter on. Are you serious? Look at that. But I'm not gonna leave it like this, y'all. Don't worry. Don't worry. We are not leaving it like this. And my mama hates highlighter. She hates that shiny look. So this one's for you, Mom. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna get to my lips. You know the lips gotta be on point when you're an Instagram model. They normally use more of a brown color than this color and a gang of lip gloss. I noticed that, a lot of lip gloss. They always got juicy lips, juicy, glossy lips. Now this is by Nabby and this is in color brown, LL10. So this color that I use on the highlighted areas, I'm gonna take an angle brush and put them in the corners of my eyes just to open up my eyes just a little bit because these lashes are so humongous. So I'm gonna just blend out my face and make sure everything is blended out properly with a powder from MAC. You guys know I don't support MAC. They still test on animals, so all the stuff I still have, I'm gonna use until it's gone, but I'm not gonna keep purchasing anything from them. I made sure that my lips were slightly overlined, and then I'm gonna use this color here by Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. This one is called Gloss Balm. So this is giving it the color that I need to. But I want it to be super duper glossy. So I'm gonna use the 99-cent store gloss because this is just full of gloss. And I'm gonna just, cause I don't want more color on it. Ooh. I don't want more color on it, so I'm using this one to just really make it even more glossy. You know, you don't want to put too much gloss because you know sometimes it sticks together, so you got to be careful with that, and that looks really nasty and almost looks like saliva being stuck right there, so I really don't like that look, so I had to make sure I don't do too much with it. Now what I'm gonna do here is actually add freckles onto here. You know they be having freckles on their face, like fake freckles, faux freckles. So the faux freckles did not work, girl. That did not work. It does, however, work up underneath your eyes. And I can see, like, I don't know where the lighting went, but it's starting to glow in here a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this eyebrow stuff and see if it makes faux freckles. A lot of them have faux freckles, I'm trying to tell you. Oh, this one works. So this is a little bit of wax and a little bit of eyebrow stuff, and I'm gonna just tap it everywhere like freckles. It really works, girl. This works. You see? It just really freaking works. You just gotta get the hang of it. You don't want so many of them that it doesn't look natural. Believe it or not, there's a lot of Instagram baddies that do this, and I follow a few of them that actually do faux freckles all the time. Can you guys see that or nah? Girl, why I just forget what brush I was using for these faux freckles. See, that's what being a vegetarian is like. Honestly, if you're not doing what you're supposed to, you start forgetting stuff. That is a shame. Like, I literally could not find the brush. I couldn't even remember it. It's just not good to not take your supplements. If you're a vegetarian, you need to take your supplements or you'll be forgetful. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me I had lip gloss all over my teeth? Okay, I see how it is. When you thirsty and you filming, you can't mess up your makeup. So if you guys don't know what wig this is, I did do a wig review for this and it's right in the description, so check that out. I cannot see that well right here. I don't know why, and I don't even need glasses. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and wet this wig down. It is synthetic. It is $50. It better be able to be wet for $50. This is the Reina wig. We're just going to brush it out slightly. We don't want to move the wig because I really don't want to glue this unit down. We're also going to use this design foam. Okay, so this is the finished look. How did I do? Did I do good? So this outfit that I have on will be in my next haul video for Fashion Nova, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Mwah!